morning to 9th standard students. So today let us start with the chapter number 2, endogenetic movements. I am going to give you the exercise as the chapter is explained here. Now let us start with the question number 1. Question number 1. Tick in front of the correct options. Now, first, write down, open the page number 20. Page number is 20. Now, on which of the following are slow movements with the Earth's interior? First question is, on which of the following are slow movements in the Earth? Are slow movements in the Earth anterior dependent, anterior dependent. Now you should read the question twice. If it is pick the correct option, also you should read the question twice. There are 3 options: landform, second is velocity, and third is direction. Now what will be the answer of this? The answer of this will be velocity. You have to pick the velocity. Now second is when waves divert from each other, what do they create? Now see, the first option is compression. Second option is tension, and third is mountain. Now what will be the answer of this? The answer of this will be tension. So you have to tick mark like this. When we read the chapter, that time I explained, some of you don't focus your mind on that chapter. So each and every point I am repeating twice, thrice in the exercise also, that the chapter you can understand while solving the exercise also. It is very easy that whatever we have not understood while reading, while solving we are understanding. So be with me. Question number 3. For the formation of a rift valley, for the formation of Rift Valley, which of the following process, which of the following process, which of the following process should occur in the earth's crust, should occur in the earth crust or crust. Now there are again three options. First is compression, second is टेंशन. फर्स्ट इज कॉम्प्रेशन, यहां पे लिखा हूं मैं, फर्स्ट कॉम्प्रेशन ब्रैकेट ग्रुप बताओ, सेकंड के लिए कॉम्प्रेशन, अगेन टेंशन और फिर बाद में वेदरिंग. टेंशन ब्रैकेट और बाद में है वेदरिंग, थर्ड वेदरिंग. अब इसके सामने भी ब्रैकेट है ऐसा. Now the answer will be, again the answer will be tension. For the formation of the Rift Valley, which of the following process should occur in the earth crust? Compression, tension or weathering? Tension. So tension is the answer of 2-1. इसका भी आंसर टेंशन है, इसका भी आंसर टेंशन है, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. सो नाउ let us start with the question number 4 of the pick the correct options. Fourth one, the formation of which of these is a fold mountain? Which of these is a fold mountain? Which of these is a fold mountain? And question mark. Now the three options are, first, the first option is Satpura, bracket. Second is Himalayas, and the third is the Western Ghats. Now what will be the answer? Which is the fold mountain? This, Himalayas. Always remember that Himalayas are the fold mountains. Now fifth one, is the formation of extensive plateaus. The formation of extensive plateaus. The formation of extensive plateaus is a result of which type time of which type of movements Now the first option is mountain building. Second option is continent building. And the third option is horizontal. Now out of these three, which will be the correct answer? Out of these three, the correct answer will be continent building. So it can come for 1 mark each in your annual exam or even in your class test or anything. So this much is the first question of question number 1, which was containing 5 examples, and we gave also those examples. Now we will start with the question number 2, which is give geographical regions. Question number 2, give geographical regions. Now first is building collapsed at the foothills. Give geographical reasons. Building collapsed at the foothills of the Himalayas because of the earthquake. Before collapsing, they were moving forward and backward. Write down the question number 1. Please write down from your text. Now I am rubbing this part. Now we will start with the answer of first क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, गिव ज्योग्राफिकल रीजंस के क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आपको ही लिखना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आपको ही लिखना है। यहाँ पे नीचे मैंने लिखा है प्लीज राइट डाउन फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट, और आंसर मैं दे रहा हूँ आपको। नाउ देयर इज अ ऑकरेंस ऑफ एन earthquake at the foothills. There is a first point. There is a occurrence. There is a occurrence there should be double R. Occurrence of an earthquake. Of an earthquake at the foothills of the Himalayas. At the foothills of Himalayas. Now the surface of the primary. Now in this, the surface of the earth trembles. The surface of the earth trembles in this. Now, second, the particles lying in the way of, second point, the particles lying in the way of the particles lying in the way of primary waves move to the primary waves move to and fro in the direction of energy transfer Now write down point number 3 along with me. The point number 3 is on the other hand, the particles lying in the way of secondary waves, on the other hand, the particles lying in the way of secondary waves, move up and down in the direction, in the direction of energy transfer, Now, point number 4, it may come for 3 to 4 marks, so please write down properly along with the points. Primary waves are the first ones to reach. Primary waves are the one to reach the surface of the earth. The surface of the earth, and they are followed by the secondary wave. And always to end the chapter, you should write down in last line, therefore before collapsing, there is the occurrence of an earth at the foothills of the Himalayas at the surface of the earth. Therefore copy the question. You have to not to write down this, copy the question. ये मैंने तुम्हारी समझदारी के लिए लास्ट में लिखा है. ये आखिरी में आंसर का कारण ये बताने का है कि इसलिए ऐसा होता है. ये क्वेश्चन लिखना है यहाँ पे, कॉपी द क्वेश्चन, यानी तुमको कॉपी द क्वेश्चन लिखना है ऊपर का. Now question number 2, copy down from your text. Now the second question is, there is a difference in the formation of Meghalaya Plateau and the Deccan Plateau. Write down the question from your text. It is page number 20. Now I am going to give the question number 2 geographical region का मैं सेकेंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने वाला हूं, और you can start writing with me. Now answer second, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का सेकेंड वाला. Formation of the Meghalaya Plateau. Write down A like this. Formation of Meghalaya Plateau. Meghalaya Plateau. Plateau. Now because of the internal movements, write down first point, because of the internal movement because of internal movement, horizontal waves moving towards each other, horizontal waves moving towards each other in hard rocks from faults, from faults due to compression. Finish. Now second point will be when a part of the earth crust is between two parallel, when a part of earth is between two parallel faults is lifted it looks like a block. looks like a block. Now, such a landform is known as block mountain. Such a landform is known as block mountain. Such a landform is known as a block mountain. 4. The Meghalaya plateau is formed in similar way. The Meghalaya plateau, is formed. The Meghalaya plateau is formed in similar way due to slow endogenetic movement. The Meghalaya plateau is formed due in similar way due to low endogenetic movement. You can write down slow due to slow endogenetic movement. Or the